Hello! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to select objects in the model and then introduce you to the move, clone, and delete geometric operations. Here is a model I already created to use during this tutorial to select an object in your model.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.